Most Zcash transactions people do are called transparent transaction or transparent Zcash. This is the default transaction type offered by most wallets, be it custodial, wherein the centralized exchange has the wallet's seed phrase of the user's account, or non-custodial, where the user has full control of their wallet seed phrase. Speaking of transaction types, we've got two transaction types in Zcash. One is called transparent transaction or Zcash. This is a type of transaction whose details is visible on the blockchain and does not use the Zk-Snark proof system for privacy. Then the shielded transaction or shielded Zcash. This type of transaction uses the Zk-Snark proof to ensure security by hiding the transaction details such as the sender's address, the receiver's address, the amount being sent, and any other attached memo on the blockchain. While most popular wallets support only the transparent Zcash transaction, Ywallet, on the other hand, supports both shielded and transparent Zcash or transaction. It also has a feature known as sweep. This feature is used to consolidate cryptocurrency assets from one wallet to another. The process is particularly useful in scenarios where a user has multiple wallets containing Zcash and wants to combine these assets into a single wallet for better management and security. Let's see how we can use the sweep feature of Ywallet. Bring up my wallet. I'm going to make use of this sweep wallet. I'm going to click on the more options, scroll down to tools option and choose on sweep. Under there I have this form field to fill where I have seed. The seed is where I'm going to put in the seed phrase of the other wallet whose funds I want to move into this particular wallet. I could either use the seed phrase or use the private key. I usually will leave this account index on its default as well as the gap limit. The destination refers to where I want the funds to be transferred to. If I want a different wallet, I can put in the wallet address here. For example, if I wanted the funds to be moved from that wallet to an exchange, I could put my centralized exchange address in this place. If I don't want that and I want the funds to be swept into this wallet's address, I'll click on which of the pool I want, a transparent pool, a sapling pool, or an orchard pool. And I'm going to leave it in the transparent pool simply because the funds that I'm moving here is from a transparent wallet. Next, I'll go to the wallet whose fund I want to sweep into Ywallet. I'm using Trust Wallet. Do a full screen view. In Zcash, I have 0.1576, which is roughly $5.18. So I'm going to get the secret phrase of this wallet and use that inside of Ywallet. I've entered my seed phrase here and click on the send button. Here we can see it's searching the address for any funds inside of it. So we can see here, this is the amount of funds inside. If I go back to the home page, you could see precisely this is what I have inside the fund here is 0.1576, and this is what I have here, even while there's a little out of it because we used to pay for transaction fee. With that, I'm going to click on privacy low and send transaction. Transaction is sent. I'll wait for it to be broadcasted on the blockchain and we'll get back to you guys. It's been some minutes now. I would go back to the account and check what has come through. I'll click on the sweep wallet and there you go. Initially when we started we had a $0 balance. Now we have $5.22, which is roughly 0.157 Zcash. And then if we come back here to our Zcash wallet, I can also confirm now that what we had here has been calibrated to $0. So this is how you can easily sweep all your Zcash remnant from other wallets into your Ywallet. Thank you. I'll see you guys in another video.